Hi, I'm Sue. I'm from Worthing in West Sussex, and we bought this Wellis Danube because we wanted to have a pool that we could go in any time we wanted and swim whenever we like. I don't like public swimming baths, so this is like ideal, and it's great and we love it. We bought this pool from Harry about a year ago when we went to the South of England show, and we were impressed when we saw it and thought, you know, what a fabulous luxury to have, and the reality has been equally as impressive. Well, my husband swims every morning, and I like to use it when I come home from work. I do cleaning, self-employed cleaner. You know, I need to de-stress when I come home, and it's great for that. Really relaxing, and also I use it as part of you know, my fitness regime. I go to the gym, but this is another sort of an added benefit for keeping fit, and it's great when I come home from work or in the evening, and sometimes my children come over and we get in together, and it's great. We socialise, you know, we talk, chat, have a laugh in there, and it's lovely, really lovely. We go in it sometimes at night, and to be in it we've not put a cover over ours so that we can enjoy when we're in the night. You can see the stars, and you know, swimming under the stars is fabulous feeling.